If you want to examine simple columnar epithelium with typical cells, then you can use this section of submandibular gland and focus on its duct. So currently we are under 100x. So here you can see that the columnar cells are typical. So you would have your lumen. So this area and this area would have your basement membrane. And as the ducts become smaller, the height of the cells would become shorter and shorter. You can see until some um, ducts would even have almost simple cuboidal lining epithelium. So it depends on the size of the ducts.